how to get the best Getaround promo discount code. The first things first is access the Getaround's official website. But before you go ahead and book an appointment with renting a car, you'll have to create a new tab in your browser for us to be able to find the best working code and have the price less. So just create a new tab and get around promo code. Now you will be seeing multiple results here, but we are currently looking at the dealpromo.net, which is going to be the first result. So click on that, and then this specific website right here is a certain site that is offering or providing us uh, multiple discounts and promos on any platforms or products online. So as you can see, we have plenty of options that we can use. For you to be able to see the code, just simply click on it and you should have the code right here. So what you need to do is just to copy this code and paste it on a Getaround's official website before you book an appointment. So that's it. That's how you find the best Getaround promo code and promo coupon codes.